Everyone. Hello. Good afternoon and good evening. This is Shorudeep. How are you doing? Hello. Am I audible to all of you? Am I audible to all of you? Okay, okay. Thanks. Rajiv ji is saying yes. Girish sir is saying yes. Thanks. Now, how was this week's trading for all of you and how was the day today? Very good. Today was very good. A lot of people saying so made quite a bit of money today. So Sabbir ji is saying that he had made huge profit this week. Congratulations. So all made money today. Happy to hear that all made money today. It is really rare that all of us are on the positive side of the PNL on any particular day. But today market was like that, that it was very, especially in Bank Nifty, it was really very easy to make money. Even someone would have bought, if would have bought after Nifty had rallied 1,000 points also. Then after that also it rallied 350 points, Bank Nifty. So it was an excellent day today. And overall, I think this week might have also been very good to you because first couple of days were quite bullish and then a little bit of correction and then it again went up. So I think overall the week should have been quite good for you, right? So Ganga Ram Baderia ji is asking me that what is the reason of this surge? Sir, if you remember that we were speaking about this surge for every past several weeks. So when I tweeted this, I will go back to Twitter. This is the pinned tweet in my Twitter handle, and I have in the TMPN club. I have told many a times. I have posted there also. I'm referring here because this is easier to access here. So this is the pinned tweet in my account, and if you see, this was 16th April. And beyond day-to-day short-term movement, I feel Nifty is about to start a prolonged up move if sustained above 15150. So today is the day first time it sustained above 15150. In weekly chart, we can see 14,400 as important support. And only due to COVID, Nifty is underperforming Dow Jones by 14%. So what has happened in between is that all the global markets have rallied. Why? If you look at the Nifty for last since Feb to the March, it was doing like this only because there was India specific COVID scenario. And I made this on 16th April, see, and I told that market, see, this was 16th April, okay. Since then, market has gone up only. So when I made this post, that was around this time, and since then, market is going up only. Market never looked back. Obviously, 20th April was a down day, but after that, you see, market has been moving up only. Because what I saw is that to make this conclusion is, I will come to tell you. See, I as a individual follow the COVID cases and the COVID numbers very religiously. And what I was looking there is that I will show you just a second. So I will broaden the horizon to show you that how I made it. So I'm expanding the horizon a little bit more. So this is the total COVID scenario. Now, what I was around this 15th and 16th April with the way confirmed cases were topping out, and I was pretty sure that it was going to top out around this time. I should put India here instead of Chhattisgarh. Sorry. Yeah. So around 15th or 16th April, I was able to see that things were on the verge of topping out there. because the pace of growth from maybe 60, 70,000, from 10,000 to 4 lakh, it was coming to an end around 16th April. And what also I saw is that this is the main thing, that how active cases were going up. So I was quite able to see that this cases are topping out, the increase in number of total cases. And what happened after that is that the number of cases have been coming down after that. Uh, Now it is on the decline mode. So you can say, apart from my understanding of the technicals of the market, my understanding of the how market should react, because in the global context, if I am looking at the global scenario, market was going up. See what market was doing from Feb to May. Why I made this statement there also, and in my TMP also, I made the same statement earlier. So since Feb, this is what global market has been doing. See, steady up move, and we have been doing this. We have been doing this. So this had to go away. Okay, this had to go away. If you put as a comparison Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and this one, yeah, and you start from this part. So let me expand it. You will understand what is the level of underperformance still from this point. So from this point to this point, still there is underperformance of 8-9%. That is with Nifty, and this much Nifty can actually very quickly rally. So 8-9% is 14-1500 points. So 16,500, 16,700 can come in a month time. And in the tweet itself, I told that maybe before Diwali, if there is widespread of vaccination, we will reach 18K in Nifty. So that comes from a Elliott wave calculation. I'm not going into it, but just by this only, I can see to correct this underperformance, it can go to 15,000, 16,500, 600, and I, from the Dow Jones chart, expect Dow Jones to reach from 34,000 to almost 37,000. That is 36,700. If it sustains above 34,000, 36,700. So accordingly, if Nifty rallies 17, 18%, we would be very closer to 18K. Okay. So that was a rough calculation I had made there. So judging the COVID numbers was helpful in this case. Again, Chhattisgarh is coming, India. So we are right now on the path of decline. The numbers are decline. Possibly things would be, this second wave would be gone by end of June. But I'm very sad today because my my oldest friend, like what I would say, from my youngest age, I had a friend, and he and entire family has been COVID positive for last 3 days. So, uh, as good as my brother, I would say. So, feeling very bad, and hope actually things actually improve all around. Uh, and Not because the COVID cases are not going down in Kolkata. So it is happening that many of the in the friends and family mishaps are happening. So uh, just trying to cope up with this. Okay, so you can see the chart. This thing, that what happened is that RSI is sustaining above 50 Nifty, and since that day, Nifty has been in a steady up move, and it moved up, gap down. It filled the gap, and now it is going up, and possibly it can strongly go up. Let me look at the Bank Nifty a bit, and today, after looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty, I will go to the global context. Okay, so Bank Nifty is again breaking out, and you can see compared to Dow Jones, it had a underperformance of around 12% right now. So to fill 12%, it has to go to 38,000 from here. So you can understand the kind of movement you may see. So in Bank Nifty over a period of 1 or 2 months, if it sustains above this 34,000, 37, 38, 39,000 can come in a quick time. Okay. Now, this is the broader outlook. And see, after the 16th April, when I posted, this was the 16th April, and this was the Friday session that we had. After that, I posted it. And in the Friday session also, I discussed this on the 16th April edition. And you can see from 19th April, it is going like this. So you can say that I picked the bottom from where the market actually turned positive. Okay. Now, if I'm talking about the global scenario, let me show you. What is happening is that a kind of consolidation had set in. So this kind of consolidation you can see they happen so much like this. So once it stabilize above 24,400, I would say 34,400, you can see the resumption and up move. But if it breaks 33,200, around 32,000, there is a big trend line. I'm not drawing this trend line. I had drawn this in the monthly chart. Let me show you in the monthly chart itself or weekly chart itself. If I'm telling this, let me show that also. You will have more conviction in that case. So this is the weekly chart. Okay. So going to the auto mode. So this is the trend line I'm talking about. So yeah, around 32,000-ish comes. What was another trend line we were looking at? Yeah, sorry, it was 33,000. So it can come down to 33,000 actually if this is broken. 32,000 would be the breaking of the trend line itself. The mid Bollinger is at 32,427. Okay, that can be the limit of support. So if it comes down, it can reach those levels, but looks unlikely at this moment. Unlike at present, it looks a normal correction only. And if that kind of correction sets in, and Nifty will again get back into the range and won't move up. But if it is stable also, Nifty Bank Nifty would move up. Okay. Now the bond side, let me show you the scare is there. There is always this scare of inflation. It is sustaining above this mid Bollinger. As long as it sustains above 1.61, it can suddenly jump towards 2 if someday some ugly inflation numbers come in. And what can happen is that in that case, global markets would correct. But as long as it is below 1.8, I would say things are not that bad. Okay. Let me talk about the dollar index, which is our biggest helping hand at this point of time. Okay. Now it has come to this region of it has broken this line. It is sustaining below, and if it breaks below 89 and eventually break below 88, a ferocious bull market would emerge. If it breaks below 89 and sustains below, a ferocious bull market would emerge. Yeah, things bond yields may go up, but equities also may go up. So if the dollar index trades below 88.50, I would say a ferocious bull market like Nifty 18,000, 20,000, those kind of levels would, if it sustains below 88.50, nearing support. Let us see how it behaves. Would be very important to note the overall price activity around 89 is a very now the bull market in equities and other classes are hinged around it. Okay, so just a second. So it is hinged around this dollar index. So there are a lot of things in the market that we generally have to track as an analyst. So I keep on telling you. So keep on looking at this. This is the most important aspect that you should look at right now. Okay. Now let me come to the crude oil. Okay. So Crude oil, if you remember that day we were discussing, oh, sorry, this is again the dollar index. The crude oil is here. So if you see, if you remember, and I'm getting back to the daily chart, when that day last day we were discussing, but I told you that just a second, the auto mode, yeah, let me expand it a little bit. So I was telling you that if it sustains about 63.50, it would go to 66, 67. It went to 67. Now it has broken. So possibly it would, it has come to the 61.60. That was also predicted. Now this is the support. If it 61.60 is taken out, it will again go back to 64. But now 64 standard resistance. And on RSI front, there is still bad news. Actually, this is good news for India. This is bad news for oil-rich countries like Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, the Middle East countries, the Canada, the Russia, all those uh, oil-dependent economies. So if it sustains below 50, it can actually go lower side. We have to. Now gold. We are at the cusp of a mother of all bull markets in gold. Okay, possibly. Let me discuss why. I'm going to a weekly chart. There is a possibility. It is not that it is certain, but there is a quite a big possibility. So if you remember, I discussed about this chart, and right now let me expand this chart. And I told you that 1870 is going to, and you all of you must remember that how many times, multiple times around this level, I said that 1780 was the 1775 was the uh, possible low, and it missed it by just uh, just a small amount. Okay, so when this things happen, okay, so and or 1680, I think I said, yeah, 1680 I said, and it went to 1687, and 1680 it has come to this. If it stays above this 1900, uh, this sort of bull market, when from 1194 to 2000 the gold had gone, this is possible if it sustains about 2100. But above 1900, 2100 is highly possible. Above that, uh, it can be this sort of a bull market which may be emerging again. So gold can be a very important asset class going forward for all of us. Okay. So completed this part. I will take few questions also, don't worry. uh, I will come back to the stocks. So this is what Bank Nifty is on the verge of doing. The upper Bollinger band, if I'm talking about, is 34,360, 370. If it stays above this, it is a bullish thing. I'm just removing the Dow Jones at this moment. Okay. So now talking about stocks. So out of Bank Nifty, the stocks that look most bullish are SBI. Okay. So this is the State Bank of India chart. Looking bullish, possibly going towards previous high today. The results came, and results were good on the provisioning part, so can go if sustains above today's high, that is 405, can go to 420. Axis Bank, but these are not the most bullish bank. Okay, the most bullish bank is IndusInd Bank. So Axis Bank, again, if it sustains above 7085, can go higher. IndusInd Bank is presently the most bullish of the Bank Nifty. So moving higher, if you can see, above 1020 can do wonders. If I'm talking about a stock, ICICI Bank, which I gave as a trading today. So if ICICI Bank goes above this 745, 746, sorry, 645, 646, this can create new high. Okay. So all the industrial facing banks like ICICI, Axis, apart from IndusInd, are looking bullish. Okay, the consumer facing banks are yet to break out. SDFC Bank, yet to break out, but a double bottom has already been formed. Above 1510, it can sharply go up. Okay, now another stock is Kotak, which is still more subdued. So still subdued. Kotak is not showing great optimism. Okay, I'm looking going to SDFC. It is also not showing great optimism, and Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finservs are also not showing. Okay, now if I have talked about all the banks, let me look at the best indices right now. So the best indices are Nifty Bank presently. So going to the Nifty Bank. So Nifty banks look great from here. Okay, possibly will continue this move. If I show you last 1 week's performance, see the best performing sector has been Nifty Bank, followed by financial services due to SBI cards and all these things. Uh, this is Nifty Realty. Okay, Nifty Realty means DLF and uh, Oberoi Realty has done good. These are and the worst performing has been Metal, which was the star earlier. Okay, so just giving you a shade of understanding which stocks have done very well this week. Now, Bank Nifty looks very good. Nifty Auto looks very good. Okay, Nifty Auto also looks very good. Nifty IT looks reasonably good. It doesn't look very good. It looks reasonably good. What it has been doing is that within 5 week IML OEM it has been trading. So now it has taken support. It is going up. Okay. Now, among all the IT stocks that I checked, two looks very good to me. And because there are not many stocks in IT, I'm just discussing the IT and the auto stocks right now. So if I'm talking about auto stocks, so only one stock look phenomenal. Only two stock look good to me. One is Bajaj Auto. Okay. So this is the weekly chart. I'm going to the daily chart. Possibly Bajaj Auto will show more up move. Want to go to the daily chart. Just a second. Daily chart. Okay. So Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto daily chart looks quite bullish. So around this 4130, it can go up. Another stock that looks bullish is Tata Motors. Okay. And rest of the stocks have not broken out. When they will break out, I will let you know in the club and the TMP. Okay. So around 308, 307, good support. If stays above that, again can go towards the 333, 334. So can be a good trade. These two trades, Bajaj Auto and Tata Motors. In the IT, Wipro looking very good to me. Possibly one can buy here with the stop loss of around 495, 496. Should break this 530, 540 region. Okay. So Wipro is looking good, and another stock is Tata Elxsi, which Vivek sir has created a video on. So Tata Elxsi near very crucial support of 3480, 3490 from here again go to 4000. Okay, so these are two IT stocks which looked good to me. In the financial sector, two stocks I would like to show you. One is Shriram City Finance. Shriram Shriram City. Just a second. Let me find it out. I had alert on this. Yeah, this is Shriram City. This is the stock which price level of 1870 started an up move, can go higher, and another is SBI card. Okay, SBI card going up, and few stocks are going up like anything. I don't know how to interpret them. Like one is Motilal Oswal Finance going like anything. I don't give these stocks because I'm a little bit skeptical about, and another is Angel Broking. So these two broking stocks are going up like anything. I don't know how to interpret them. Those who are very strong-hearted can do. From 288, it has tripled in 18, 20 days. Every day is doing this. So difficult to put a 2-3% stop loss and trade. Maybe one have very big stop loss appetite of 70-80 rupees having a stop. This 5-day EMA can trade, very difficult to trade this stock. So that's why I don't give these stocks. Okay. So these are the stocks, and Nifty IT I showed you. And last is Nifty Pharma. Okay. Nifty Pharma looks quite stable. I'm again going to weekly chart here. Nifty Pharma. So if I'm talking about the weekly chart, you will find it looks quite good because it's again closed above 5-week high EMA. Two stocks looks very good to me. One is Natco Pharma. Okay. So possibly will break this level of 1,000 and go up. Looks good to me. This week I gave you Cipla, and Cipla went up only 2-3%. Did not go up. Cipla, if stays above 940, can go up. If stays above 940, it can go up. Okay. And next is Oro Pharma. This stock is again poised for a breakout of maybe 1,050, 1,060 level. It can actually create very good price action. So discuss few stocks and Adani Group stocks. Like each week, one will make you mad. So this week it was Adani Transmission. So keep there is nothing special to say about them in each week. Keep in your watch list. Always keep this Adani Transmission, Adani Adani Total Gas. Okay, Adani Total Gas. So these Adani Group stocks looks bullish. I have been talking about them since they were much lower levels, and they like 700s, 800s. I have been talking about them in this Friday session, and they are going up almost each week. So Adani Transmission, Adani Enterprise, Adani Port is not moving for a few days, but any day they will also pick up. Okay, Adani Ports is not moving. So all those 4 or 5 Adani Group stocks, all of them, Adani Transmission, Adani Gas, Adani Green, Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, everyone, okay. Adani Ports is only not moving, but possibly, yeah, only not moving, but possibly above 800, it will again start moving. So keep these stocks in radar for every week. There is nothing special that I should say about them, and then only you will look at them. Okay, one sector which has the most underperforming sector of this particular year, but has started picking up because of two stocks. Okay, one is this is the daily chart. One is Oberoi Realty. Uh, looking good because they had phenomenal sales, because people have understood that they don't have time for to go, they have opportunity to go out, so people are buying. bigger homes. So they had highest ever sales. They have highest ever area sold. Another stock is DLF, showing some spark, but still not in that mood, but can go up. Okay, can go up. Eh, Overall bullish only. So especially if it trades above 280. So last week I gave it 262. It has gone to 270, 278. But if starts trading about 280, can go higher. Okay. Now all the few stocks I'm not generally talking about. Okay, like if I'm talking about all the manufacturers, the pipe manufacturers, the Pidilites of the world, I have told this in the Friday session many a times. This is Pidilite, okay, Prince Pipes, Pidilite, Prince Pipe, all the real estate ancillary sectors, okay, Prince Pipe, okay, going up. Then it will be Sierra. So all real estate ancillary, these are the themes that they are working. You will find them doing very well. So keep a focus on them. If I'm talking about Asian Paints, so overall these stocks are doing very good, on the verge of another breakout. And why they are good? Because if you see, because real estate is doing good, because people know that COVID is not a very easy disease to actually counter. Maybe multiple waves will be there. People understand that old life of partying, social mingling, these things are not there going to cinemas. So people want bigger house so that there is opportunity for work from home. There is opportunity for more space for people to live in their home. So that's why real estate will go up, and all this paints, the pipes, the bathroom wares, the Somani ceramics. So Somani ceramics of the world. So all these stocks, see just at the top, any day it will break out. Okay. So just a second. So all these stocks which Kajaria ceramics, okay, Kajaria, they will have phenomenal rally. I have put alert in every each one of them, and I expect all these stocks to do very well because of the COVID scenario. So look at them. This week's the stocks that we had discussed. We'll talk few about them. Uh, DLF supply already discussed. Balaji Amines gave, it went up. Okay, can go up more. M&M I gave today. No, this is not. Uh, Mahindra. This is the Mahindra and Mahindra. Why it is not coming? Yeah, so Mahindra and Mahindra looks good. Can go up again above 820. I gave today. I gave near 810. Okay, and another stock that I gave is Haikal. Again, gone up 2-3%. Can go up more. So these are the few stocks that I have given in the TMP, in the club. Few I have given. So Haika look very good. Possibly it can go much higher side. I will take few questions here and then hand over to Vivek sir. I'm already over time by 4 minutes. All PSU banks looks bullish. So I discussed about SBI. I don't track stocks which are below Praj Industry is doing good. I don't track stocks which are below 100. So Praj Industries, I think I have given almost 50% lower than that. It has moving, rallying still like that, and it can do. And similarly, SRF also, you can see if you find above 6600 can go do good. There are a lot of stocks that are doing good. If you have questions, you can please put into the put into the group, I can answer. But here stock specific chart check I'm not going to do, because I have given the overall view. Stock specific discussion we have in TMPN club. Here we are not going to discuss any stock specific anymore beyond what I have already discussed. And thank you for attending this. I will hand this over to Vivek sir at this moment. Uh, Kunal Jain is saying, can I ask your question here? Yeah, you please ask your question, and after that I will hand it over to Vivek sir. Please, Kunal ji, quickly. To see, I am not a fundamental analyst, so tourism theme it will be very difficult for me to. Bitcoin, I am not going to discuss here at this moment. Vivek sir may discuss. So,
Oh, why?
Kunal Jain, you have, I was waiting for your question. You can just give it later, sir. I'm handing over to Vivek sir, because Vivek sir is waiting for us. Thanks, sir.
Thank
Thanks.
you. Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Shoradeep, for amazing
Thank you.
presentation. You are a dark
Thank
horse.
you.
Do you know that? If people are following you, people know that what powerful analysis you can do and how much money people can make with your analysis. And if people are not following you, let them follow other TV channels. Thank you. So, guys,
Thanks.
so what we will do from here on, because we have more and more participants who are joining this initiative, and I'm very happy about it. TNP and Stockage Club members, they take pain every Friday and join us. I hope it's worth the gain. Let's do something. Let's not ask questions in this session. So all the TMP guys, anyways, you guys are connected through us through WhatsApp, so you can post the question there. All the club members, you are part of the platform. So whatever question you have, either for me, for Shoradev, from XYZ, post it in the club platform and we will reply there. It's so easy, it's so engaging to engage there on a regular basis rather than just asking questions while we are conducting this webinar. So let's do something. Let this webinar 1 hour session, because 1 hour is something, it's good enough, where we do just idea sharing. And Shoradip is brilliant in his idea sharing in the stocks which he has been identifying. People who have been following him can vouch for it that they must have made good money. Uh, if you have not made, definitely there is something which you need to look at. So what I will do is I will share a few things with all of you so that you can also get my perspective about the market. And there are some learnings which I want to give. So the reason why I come here every Friday is to give some learning to guys who are really interested in getting those learning from us. So let me share my screen. Oh, let me just do a quick check. Are you able to hear me? Can I get quick round of information from some people that they are able to hear me, see my desktop? Okay, must. Very good. Very good. Very good. Mahendra ji, Rajiv ji, Nikhil, Sanjay, Pratik. Thank you. Thank you. चलिए अच्छा बात है. एक बात मैं आपको एक बार बताता हूँ कि see, please try to understand that me and my team are totally dedicated to your well-being. This is something which you should clearly understand and mark this in your mind कि हम लोग सिर्फ आपका बेनिफिट के लिए सोचते हैं. And anywhere you feel that you are stuck in your life, anywhere, I am there, my team is there, and all of us have been told this very clearly that club members and TMP are my special team, and we all have to take care of them irrespective of whatever is their need. Like someone told me TMP yesterday that this is my profile and this is what I should do or should do. And I had a conversation with that person, and we will try to give him what exactly he wants. Okay. We are not here for short term. We are not here to take some money from you and then not look at you. We are here for lifetime relationship. You know why I strongly believe in that? Because I come from a joint family. We are 18 members who stay in one building together, and I value relationship a lot. So it is not just 1 month, 2 month, or 3 month of association we are talking about. ये लाइफ टाइम हम लोग साथ में जुड़े हैं, तो हमको साथ में ग्रो करना, ये एक हमारी तरफ से ये कमिटमेंट है आपको। बाकी ऑब्वियसली यू विल हैव टू कमिट योरसेल्फ टू अस एज वेल। ओके, so let me just go back to what I wanted to talk. I'm going to switch off my video for the time being just to save internet. There are two things which I want to talk. First is market kya lagta hai. I think Shoradip is a master in that, and he has been pretty much accurate in his assessment. But अगर मैं अपना 2 सेंट अगर आपको देने की कोशिश करूं, तो मैं मार्केट को कैसे देखता हूं? मैं मार्केट को इस चार्ट से देखता हूं, जिसके अंदर में वीकली चार्ट है, ऊपर में ग्लोबल एसेट है, निफ्टी मेरे लिए ग्लोबल एसेट है, एंड नीचे में डॉलर है। तो डॉलर और मार्केट का मूवमेंट मेरे लिए सर्वपरे है। दैट इज समथिंग विच आई ऑलवेज ट्रैक, एंड आई ट्राई टू मेक जजमेंट ऑन द मार्केट, अ मैक्रो जजमेंट ऑन द मार्केट, मेकिंग अ 10,000 फीट से एक व्यू बनाना कि यार मार्केट में मंदी कहाँ है, मंदी कहाँ है। अगर डॉलर का ट्रेंड नीचे की तरफ है तो मार्केट में मंदी कहाँ है। अगर आप डेली बेसिस पे चार्ट देखेंगे, इफ आई कन्वर्ट दिस चार्ट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, then obviously maybe you will get indecisive on certain days, कि शायद कोई दिन आपको लगे कि अरे गिर रहा गिर रहा गिर रहा है, कोई दिन आपको लगे बढ़ रहा बढ़ रहा बढ़ रहा। बट अगर आप वीकली बेसिस पे मार्केट को एनालाइज करेंगे तो you will get a broader picture about the market. For all my friends here who are doing part-time financial market activity, there are quite a lot of people. In fact, Stockage Club is all about people who are part-time engaged in the market, and TMP is all about people who are full-time traders. Okay, that's how these two products are so different. For all my friends who are part-time into the market, you guys please start working on a framework of weekend trading. What is weekend trading? मतलब मैं trading weekend में करता हूँ. I'm going to record a video on this concept very soon, where I want to inculcate this habit of weekend trading to people. What is weekend trading? I am analyzing everything on weekly chart and probably on Saturday, and making my list ready with an alert in trading view, so that next week whenever anything will happen in any stock which I have analyzed, an alert will be sent to me, and I will only act when an alert is received by me. A weekend trader does not care what SGX Nifty, the crap. For me, SGX Nifty is the shit. It has worsened the market conditions because of it happening. इसलिए मैं, आप देखो ट्विटर में मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि get out of that stupid SGX Nifty, because by the time 9:15 is on, Nifty is there in front of you, and we all don't trade at 9:15. We probably will trade at 9:20. Then what's the point of looking at SGX Nifty? Please do weekend trading. Figure out the stocks where you can make your analysis, add an alert, and weekday में कभी भी उस stock में कुछ हुआ तो let the alert do the talkings, and then you participate in the market. Otherwise, don't look at the market full day. This is more relevant for Stockage Club members. TMP, obviously, you are expected to see the market. At least subconsciously, market should always be active in your mind. Okay, so this is market. Dollar, as Saradip also mentioned, that it's going down, and if dollar remains below 90, Saradip is saying much lower level, but I'm saying if dollar remains below 90, there is no reason that market will fall in a hurry. चाहे इंडिया में जितना भी कोरोना आ जाए, जितने लोग मर जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए, बस पैसा जो है इंडिया में आता है बाहर से मार्केट में. एंड इफ ग्लोबली markets are strong because of liquidity, why will Indian market fall? It doesn't. Maybe it will fall by 2%, 3%, 4%, but there is no reason why market will correct massively. Okay, so this is dollar. Look at gold. I recorded a video, a 2-minute review on gold in my personal YouTube channel. You must have seen, and that time gold was trading at 1830. And I clearly saw, and this was the candle when I saw it, this was the candle, right? And I clearly saw that gold is ready for a major movement above 1800, because dollar was going down and gold was going up. इसमें क्या rocket science है? इसमें कोई rocket science है क्या? The only problem is that if we keep on watching all those TV channels, how will we develop conviction on our own? Let chart be your TV channel. Let you be the anchor of that TV channel. Why do we need to listen to other TV channels and figure out stock ideas from them? Look at crude oil. We recorded ELM live with Shorodip. And if you guys have not seen, go to YouTube, Elon Markets. मुझे कई बार बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि हमारे Elon Markets के अंदर में जो viewers हैं, all are serious viewers, not entertainment seekers. Okay, and the content which we are recording is only for serious people. We are not recording content for जिनको मस्ती चाहिए YouTube के अंदर में, हम नहीं है उनके लिए. तो आप देखो शुरोदीप के साथ मैंने ये लाइव किया था 2 महीने पहले. Have you seen this? So let's show the chart now. आप you see that day Shorodip talked about crude oil and why crude oil will go up, what we need to do if crude oil is supposed to go up. That day I was very hungry, so I was having a lot of chanas. So a lot of people commented ki, why are you eating when the video is on? So anyways, I'm joking. This video will give you a fantastic understanding of inter-market relationship. And Shorodip was bang on that अगर crude 61-61 के ऊपर में चला रहा तो फिर definitely crude में यहाँ से तेजी ही रहेगा. And since that time sugar has also been strong because crude is strong, so sugar will also be strong. And if sugar is strong, obviously Indian sugar prices will also go up, because of which sugar mines also get the benefit. Sugar mines, sugar mills also get the benefit. I always tell to everyone कि boss, मेरा career, मैं नहीं बोलता मेरा career best था. I don't say this. Please don't take me wrong. If I am recording a video and I'm telling that I made how I made 1 crore, it is not to boost my net worth. It is just to give you a path. Knowing commodities has been the greatest advantage which I have as a trader. And I think Shorodip will accept this because he also started his career as a commodities trader. Then adding currency was a blessing in disguise. And then equity, it gave me a holistic picture about the market. So please start following commodities. We will record videos on commodities further so that you get trained in commodities and currency, and see the relationship between commodities and equity market at a macro level so that you can figure out opportunities at a micro level. Okay, so this is a small thing which I want to discuss. The other thing which I want to discuss is that for people who want to do weekly trading, look at weekly charts, because weekly charts are so powerful. You will be able to hold on to a stock for a longer time frame if you believe in that weekly chart. Okay, and this RS, it works on daily, it works on weekly, there is no problem, because RS principally is a tool which helps you to figure out the strength and the weakness of a stock. So ये weekly में भी चलेगा, monthly में भी चलेगा. Obviously daily के अंदर में you will have faster execution. 2 hourly में you will be able to execute much faster. Weekly में probably you will not be able to execute faster, but at the same time weekly में you will not be susceptible to whipsaws in the market. Okay, तो अगर आप वीकेंड ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं, वीकली चार्ट बनाइए, इस तरह का एक अपना टेम्पलेट बनाइए, एंड लुक आउट फॉर स्टॉक्स जिसके अंदर में आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, एंड पार्टिसिपेट इन दैट स्टॉक्स. ओके, नाउ थर्ड पॉइंट व्हिच आई वांटेड टू टॉक टू ऑल ऑफ यू इज हाउ टू मेक द लिस्ट ऑफ स्टॉक्स जिनमें आपको काम करना है. ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, now the one of the way is by super efficient guys like Shorodip is they look at least 500 charts on daily basis, if not on weekly basis. तो उतना आप कर पाएंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे पता नहीं है, बट जो सीरियस लोग हैं वो NSE 500 के सारे चार्ट्स को डेली बेसिस पे ऐसे देखते हैं, ताकि किसी एक चार्ट के अंदर में आपको किसी तरह का एक एक्शन होता नजर आता है तो उस चार्ट को आप अपना इंपॉर्टेंट चार्ट के रूप में मार्क कर लेते हैं. दैट मींस, जस्ट टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश, serious people who are in the market for serious money, they analyze 500 charts every day, if not every week. You can do that every week. उसमें कुछ rocket science नहीं है. And if you want, I can share this ready-made trading view output with you guys. I've done this initially, but if you want, I can share it again. I'll just export this and as NSE 500, and I'll share with all of you in WhatsApp group as well as the Telegram group. You on every Saturday इसको आप या तो weekly chart में analyze कर लो. You know, you can also do this on a weekly chart. So go through all the stocks and the structures in the stock and figure out that किस stock के अंदर में strength है and which stock is the one which I should be mentally bullish on. For example, this stock Balkishan Industry. Don't you think we should be bullish on this stock? I'm not saying कब लेना है, but आपको नहीं लगता कि मेरे को स्टॉक में तेजी ही खेलना है? इसमें क्या रॉकेट साइंस है? अब किस प्राइस पे लेना है? Should I buy here or should I buy at a low level? Obviously, if it goes down, I will buy. But if it goes up, it's actually on a lifetime high basis. So there is no blockage there, or there's no resistance that उसके ऊपर breakout आ जाएगा. For figuring out किस level पे लेना है, probably you will also have to go to the daily chart. Okay, you can do a 3-dimension chart. In my laptop, I can't do 3 because of the small screen size. But if you have a bigger, larger screen, so you can have weekly chart. So you can do a 3-dimension here like this. So you can have a weekly chart here, daily chart here, 2-hourly chart here. Usse every Saturday you can do your weekly analysis and looking at the daily chart, figure out the levels which would be convenient for you to enter or exit. Okay, because this laptop doesn't have a bigger screen, so I'm doing it 2 here and 3 here. Now you will ask me, sir, how do we do it in TradingView? Do we need to subscribe? Obviously you need to subscribe. Listen to me guys, you have to subscribe to TradingView. The bet jitna jaldi karoge उतना जल्दी स्टॉक मार्केट से पैसा बना पाओगे. एज सिंपल एज दैट. ट्रेडिंग व्यू के बिना अब स्टॉक मार्केट में सरवाइव करना मुश्किल है. And you may not like this statement, and trust me, it's a very reasonable cost product. The kind of value it will add to your trading journey is phenomenal. Okay, दूसरा तरीका, अगर आपको 500 चार्ट नहीं स्टडी करना है, तो दूसरा तरीका जो सिंपल तरीका है कि जो मैंने अपना स्टॉक आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया है, खाली आप उसको एनालाइज करिए. जो मैं प्रमोट करता हूं कि everyone should have their own list of stocks. Okay, I can have my own 40-45 stocks. You can start with 10 and keep on adding one stock and only build position in those stocks जहां पे आपको एक conviction आता है मूवमेंट का. For example, all these blue stocks, ये सारे stocks हैं जहां पर मैंने अपना पोजीशन अभी बना रखा है. Okay, with my stop loss and I'm riding these positions. The beauty of TradingView is that यहाँ पे आप मार्क कर सकते हैं ब्लू से कि ब्लू या कोई भी कलर से कि कौन से स्टॉक में आपने पोजीशन बना रखा है. एंड ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज जस्ट स्किम थ्रू दो स्टॉक्स. एंड अगर किसी स्टॉक में कोई अलर्ट लगाना है तो आप अलर्ट लगा के भी काम कर सकते हैं. The third way to identify stocks is obviously stockage scanners. Okay, so web.stockage.com के अंदर में either you create your own combinations. So you know how to create your own combinations, right? So multiple combinations which I have created, you guys can create your own combinations as well. Or the easier way is that there are certain strategies which we have created. One of the strategies which I recently added after I've done fair bit of trading with this strategy is the Eagle strategy. So as part of Stockage Club, you know you have access to Stockage. Eagle strategy के अंदर में ये सारे stocks हैं. Who are these stocks? These are eagles जो मार्केट में गिरने का मूड में नहीं है. They are outperforming the market and they have lot of shine to continue outperforming the market. These eagle stocks should be studied on every weekend. You can make a list like this on Eagle, and every time these stocks fall, देखिए ईगल जब भी गिरता है आपको मौका देगा, आप वापस से उसमें घुस सकते हैं. बिकॉज जो ईगल स्टॉक है, वेरी हाई चांस कि वो ईगल स्टॉक्स ईगल ही रहेगा. इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी. सो एवरी टाइम द स्टॉक फॉल्स, यू फाइंड आउट अ लेवल जहां पे उस स्टॉक में आप घुस सकते हैं एंड मेक एन एंट्री. You can write down, you can set an alert here, or if you are active in the market during the daytime, you can see these charts which are eagle starts. और जब भी 2-hourly chart में, I'm using 2-hourly chart for my entry exit. You can use hourly chart, you can use 30-minute chart. जब भी छोटे ड्यूरेशन के चार्ट में ट्रेंड पॉजिटिव नजर आता है और आरएस भी पॉजिटिव होता है, then probably you can think about entering this stock when the price breakout is happening. I prefer price breakout because price breakout gives me a different level of comfort. You can prefer when price retraces, तब आप इसके अंदर में एंट्री कर सकते हैं. Totally your choice. There is nothing right or wrong about it. तो मैंने आज आपको क्या बताया? मैंने बताया एक मैक्रो व्यू बनाइए. देखिए इतनी सी देर में मैंने बहुत कुछ बता दिया. लेट मी जस्ट रिवाइज. सबसे पहली बात मैंने बताया, मेक अ मैक्रो व्यू ऑफ मार्केट, follow commodities, follow currency, and try to make a 10,000 feet view of the market कि market क्या लग रहा है. Second is start working on weekend trading by doing a weekly analysis of stocks and market and try to find out stocks which could potentially give you a good return next week. Third, make a list of stocks. The list of stocks could be out of those Nifty 500, or it could be your list of stocks, or any scan stocks which you can derive from my stockage, my combination scan. There are multiple my combination scans which are available here. You can use them. You can create your own. We have created scans like Eagle, etc. Use them and make a list of stocks which you would like to follow where momentum is high and participate when the price movement suggests to participate. Now the billion-dollar question, sir, how do we judge which price movement is right price movement or wrong price movement? उसके लिए Stockage Club के अंदर में, I mean for Stockage Club members I am saying this, and for TMP also I am going to say this because we are doing this thing in both the products. उसके लिए Stockage Club के अंदर में there is a concept called stock ideas, and my team is continuously giving you relevant stock ideas. If you follow these posts, you will become as knowledgeable as my team is, because I have told my team that every time you post such ideas, you have to give an explanation of why you posted these ideas. If अगर चाहते तो हम आपको खाली stock idea देते, right? But the reason why we want to give rational with this stock idea is that you eventually should be able to generate these stock ideas on your own and not be dependent on us or my team. Okay, see the explanation which the team is giving, and in case you need elaboration of that explanation, please write down in the comment and ask for the elaboration if you are not sure why this person is talking about that stock idea. The more you look at what other people are generating, the better you'll be able to identify the right price when the action has to be done. Second, for TMP students, we have been continuously, Shoradeep, and we have been continuously sharing with you stock ideas in these WhatsApp groups. If you have not been following those stock ideas, if you have not been not necessarily trading but learning from those stock ideas, definitely there is a lacking from your side. And my role, my dear friends, is only to create the right platform and bring everything together. 20% ये मेरा काम है, 80% आपका काम है. 80% is your work. If you're not into this platform, it's not my problem. If you're not using that WhatsApp group where we are together, it's not my problem. If you're not trading the market, it's not my problem. So what I am suggesting is, please take it very seriously. It's a great opportunity to make money in market. Don't miss this opportunity. Become serious about market, either as an investor or active investor in Stockage Club or as a TMP participant. Don't lose this opportunity. I took the opportunity in 2006 and you guys have seen my video, और मैंने एक भी बात उसमें bluffing नहीं की है. I don't like to lie. The last thing which I can think about myself is to lie. वो 2006, 7, 8 का जो अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑलमाइटी गॉड गेव टू मी, दैट कुछ भी करता था उसमें पैसे बनते थे क्योंकि उस समय मार्केट पैसा दे रहा था. और एक बार 1 करोड़ रुपया बन गया, उसके बाद बहुत मुश्किल है पैसा खोना, बहुत मुश्किल है. You really need to be stupid to lose money. That first journey of making 10 lakhs or 1 crore, this market last 1 साल के अंदर में वो मार्केट था. आपके लाइफ में फिर सिर्फ 4 बार ये मौका मिलता है. You get it only 4 times, trust me. 2008, 2020, probably one more time you'll get, only 4 times when market घनघोर गिरेगा और उस समय आपको पैसा बनाने का मौका मिलेगा. Don't lose that opportunity which the market is giving right now. And the only thing which you can do to good to yourself is to sincerely look at things which is available to you. इधर उधर कहीं मत जाइए, जो अवेलेबल है इतना कुछ अवेलेबल कर दिया है, please take advantage of it. And let's grow together. That's the motto, that's the vision which I want for all of you. So as I said, we will not take questions. I am available in Stockheads Club. I am available on WhatsApp for all of you. Please feel free to connect with me. I will call you at my convenience. I have told you guys that if you're a club member, we can book a slot for 10 minutes and we can talk. There was a club member who was talking about his personal life with me. And I felt so privileged that I am in some way talking to him and helping him to resolve his personal life. So please take advantage of that. Let's take all the Q&A offline. Let these sessions be more of experience sharing, learning session. And Shorodip obviously is a great guy in terms of analyzing the market and making you guys more aware about how to really make money from the market. Okay, so thank you so much. Not taking questions as decided. Uh, we'll take it offline. Thank you so much for attending this Friday 1 hour you are giving to us. It's our pleasure. And keep doing good work, keep learning, and please recommend us our working to your friends, family, your neighbors, and make them part of Stockheads Club. This is one community where I am very bullish and I am really looking forward to build this community. So thank you for your time and attention. Shorodip, thank you so much. Are you still there?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Shorodip, and thank you, Swati, and the team support team for helping
Thanks,
our
Swati.
team members. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank
take
you
care.
so much. Yeah.
Good night. Thank you.